This is second chapter of Political Science, class 9, the Constitutional Design. In this video, I am talking about the making of Constitution or the path of the Constitution, whichever the topic. Beside this, we take a short look about the Indian experience. Whatever the condition of the India at that time, Indian people had just emerged from the status of subject to the citizen. That means at that time when the India got independent, the public has very less idea about the citizen, because they either the king, the local ruler, or they are under the Britishers. No one gave them the proper rights or the proper opportunity. So, the citizen of India having less concept about the citizenship. The country came into the partitions of basic of religious. When Britishers left India, they divide the India into Pakistan and India. And in the basis of religious, whatever we never thought about that. The India, Hindu and Muslim was lived together. वो एक साथ रहते थे, आपस में वो एक जैसे भाई बहन जैसे रहते थे, लेकिन उन्होंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि जो नया पाकिस्तान बनेगा वो रिलीजियस के बेसिक पर बनेगा, हिंदू मुस्लिम. पाकिस्तान इज द मुस्लिम कंट्री, बट हिंदू इज नॉट ए मुस्लिम हिंदू कंट्री. इंडिया is a democratic country. So that is a great problem for our constitution maker. There was a dilemma also, the part of the rules of princely state. There are so many small states where the king was the ruler. They do not think what they would be do. Either they joined the India or Pakistan, or they wanted to remain independent. It is very difficult task to merge the princely state with India. At that time, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel did a very hard work to make the new India, to give the princely state into the India. Mostly princely state come to the India. Till date, where we are sufferer by the Kashmir. At that time, the Kashmir was under the Raja Hari Singh. At that time, the Raja Hari Singh was agreed to come with the India, but the public not support him. They will stay alone with independent, or the public want to go with Pakistan as a religious. So a long dispute was there in Kashmir, and the tension always created by the Pakistan and Hindustan. This is the main reason. The Indian constitution maker had their own worries regarding the present and future of the country. When the leader of the country fought against the Britishers, they worked out together. That means the Hindu, Muslim, all are struggle for their independence. But when they got independent, the country was divided. So many problems they face regarding the future of the country. Now, these are the problems that is faced by the constitution maker. The second, the path of the constitution. It is not an easy task. But in sense that unlike South Africa, they did not have to create consensus about the democracy. In spite of different opinion among Indian leaders regarding the path of India should adopt after independence, some basic common principle had come to be accepted by everyone. Because our constitution already written, or you can say the draft, in 1928. So we have mostly the few common principle for this constitution making. In fact, way back to 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders had prepared a draft for the future constitution of India. Inclusion of universal adult franchises, right to freedom and equality, protecting the right of minority. These basic values were accepted by all leaders much before the Constitution Assembly. And all you know, mostly this concept come from the French Revolution. And in my previous video, you all know how the idea of equality, liberty, freedom, adult franchise come to India through the great person Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He brought the idea and spread over the India, the equality and freedom. So all the great leaders of India who fought for independence, they easily accept this freedom and equality principle in our constitution. The long years of thinking and deliberations on the framework of Indian constitution had helped Indian leaders in gaining confidence to learn from their countries, but at their own terms. They accept the good feature of the constitution of another country, but the terms and condition of our own country. The feature was good, but it is our own terms and condition. Just like Indian leaders were also inspired by the following idea: a French Revolution, the practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain, Bill of Rights in USA, the socialist revolution in Soviet Union. Our great leaders were highly qualified and they all are discussed a long way to prepare our constitution much more before the Indian independence. So, some basic are clear about our leader, and concept of the citizenship may not be clear in our Indian citizen, but the great educated person know about the principle.